Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at Getresponse and how you can actually use it in affiliate marketing, how you can actually leverage the power of email marketing software such as Getresponse for your particular needs. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. As you can see, I am in front of the main page of Getresponse, and for the sake of this video, we're going to focus purely on the email marketing side of Getresponse, not so much about the funnel building and the landing pages creation, even though you can create it in the Getresponse, but I personally use Getresponse purely for what they are well known for, which is the email marketing side, and for everything else I use ClickFunnels. Alright guys, so let's get straight into it. As you can see on the main page, they have a free 30 days creation of the account where you don't need to use any credit card, and you just put your name, email address and password, and that's pretty much it. You can start straight away right now today. Now, why would you actually use email marketing software? Now, we're going to get inside of the Getresponse as well, but I want you to understand the power of the email marketing and why you should actually use it. So the email marketing, what it enables you to do in affiliate marketing is that it actually helps you to build the relationship between you and your subscribers, your people, all right? And email marketing is still today one of the most, if not the most powerful way how to do that, all right? It is literally the way how you can follow up with people, how you can send them, valuable information, your different content, maybe you have a YouTube channel and other sort of things, and you can catch up and follow up with them. And that's where the relationship and the connection between you and your subscribers happens. That's where the creation of this is, in this follow-up and being consistent in showing up in their email box. All right, so once they open these emails, they can catch up with you and all sorts of things. So that's why email marketing is really powerful, because people as human beings, we tend to buy from kind of like the emotional base, not so much about the logical part of our brain. When we make the purchases, we usually buy from either the brand or the people that we know, like and trust most of the time, and that's how you can actually create this for you, for your particular affiliate marketing business through email marketing. All right guys, so that's a little bit just in a nutshell why email marketing is so powerful. And if you're wondering how to actually use it, how to actually implement it into your email marketing software, or affiliate marketing business, let's have a look over here, and I'm going to quickly show you exactly how it works. All right guys, so if you're in affiliate marketing, you should have a sales funnel very similar to this one in place already. All right, so here we have an opt-in page, all right, and where you have some headline over here, then you have a place where people put their email address, and then there is a button. All right, now here is the email, right? That's the sign for the email. So once they put the email, you collect this email, all right? You collect the email and you send them to so-called a bridge page. The bridge page is, again, you have a headline, then you have maybe a video or something over there, and then you have a button to proceed forward. Now, hopefully this rings the bell. If it makes, hopefully it makes sense for you. If not, I have a complete 4-day video series where I talk literally how to create a sustainable affiliate marketing business that brings in consistent sales and profits, right? And one of the main topics is actually building a sales funnel just like this one in a more detailed way. So if you are interested in that, just go ahead, grab it. It's the first link in the description below. It's completely free. You get full access to it. All right, guys. So that's pretty much how it looks like. Now, what's the purpose of the bridge page is to actually deliver on your promise from opt-in page, right? On the opt-in page, you probably promised some these people to give them some information in exchange for the email address, right? So you said probably learn how to lose weight in 4 weeks. Put your email down below to learn more, right? So they put the email address. Right now with your Getresponse, email marketing software, you collect this email and you can follow up with them in future emails, right? They click the button, right, and they are forwarded to this bridge page where you actually deliver this promise. You teach them how to lose weight in these 4 weeks. Obviously, you're not gonna give them an 80-hour long video tutorial or step-by-step diet plan or whatever it is, how to do that, but you're going to give them some ideas, some tips, tricks, you know, you're gonna present them maybe a way how to do that, all right, and so on and so forth. If they're interested in that kind of a blueprint, all right, they can click the link button below and they're going to be redirected to your sales page for your affiliate marketing product, all right? This is the dollar sign, sorry about this. All right, now, important thing what you want to do is you want to send an email with this bridge page at the same time as they opt in, all right? Because some people will opt in, all right? They want the information, but they don't have the time to actually watch it or do whatever you want them to do on this bridge page, but you want to make sure they have the option to check it later and to get back to it. So you send them an email with this bridge page, all right? We're going to look exactly how to create that in Getresponse in a bit, all right? But this is pretty much the sales funnel, how it works. Now, the thing is that most people are not going to buy from you straight away. That's just how it is. Many people it just takes time for them to decide and to be like, okay, this is the time I want to go for it, all right? So what you will do later on is, once you have the email address, you're going to send them follow-up emails, all right? So these emails can vary from different things, all right? You can send them some different, sorry, that was not nice. You can send them, you know, different content. You can send them, maybe you have a YouTube channel and you post a new video, so you send them an email with the YouTube video. Maybe you want them just to send literally a normal email with the content, with the value inside of it, all right? So you send it over. You want them to remind of the product that you're promoting, that this is the perfect time to buy it, to get it, and so on and so forth. So you send them a sales email and so on and so forth. You build this relationship with these people, and once the right time for them arrives, they are going to buy from you. All right, guys, so this is pretty much how it works in a nutshell. This is where, you know, Getresponse is so powerful, because most of these emails you're just going to pre-write, all right, once, and you're going to Getresponse is going to allow you to automate it, and they are going to be sent out automatically whenever you pretty much want them to be sent. All right, so in a minute I'm going to go inside of my Getresponse and show you exactly how to set it all up. But before that, again, just want to remind you, if something of this is unclear and you want to have a better explanation, I have this 4-day video series directly by me, and I explain you exactly all of this in a great detail. All right, so just grab it in the description below. So let's get into my Getresponse account. So this is the dashboard, how it looks from the inside. All right, so if you want to build these emails, this so-called email sequence, okay, this is the email sequence over here. Okay, you want to go into menu over here and click on autoresponders. All right, now I obviously have a few over here, but if you're creating a new account with Getresponse, this is going to be completely empty. So you do over here, you go over here, create autoresponder, and I like to use this new email creator, honestly. And this is pretty much how it is. So you just put your title over here. We're not gonna spend time on it, but this is important, autoresponder settings. Now, for your first email, you remember over here, I told you that you want to send this bridge page at the same time as they opt in, so they have the chance to rewatch it later on. So this is how you set it up. You use it on day 0, which is literally the day they opt in, all right? Same time as the sign up time, which means literally once they sign up, they're going to receive the email, okay? And pretty much that's it. You put your subject line, okay? You design your email over here, okay? I'm not gonna do that, but you can You just literally just use it. Create your email over here, and this is the email you want your emails to be sent from and also replied to. All right, you can eventually set up, which days you want to do, okay, and so on and so forth, but I personally use all of the days. Now, from this day onwards, all right, this is going to be day one. This is going to be day one. This is the 0, and this is number 2, number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so how do you do that? You literally just do over here on day 1, and you can do same time as the sign up time, or you can do exactly at a specific time. For this, you will probably need to do some research with which times are the best. Usually in the morning when people get into office, they check their emails, or maybe lunchtime and so forth. Very powerful and a good thing to use is a time travel feature over here, which enables you to send the email exactly at 8 in the morning, no matter if the person is in US or in Europe. It's going to send this email exactly in their time zone. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for Getresponse. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you get lots of value from it, and I hope that you see that, okay, Getresponse it's really good. I want to use it. I want to use this email marketing thing. All right, guys, so I hope I did that for you. I hope you get these aha moments. If so, let me know in the comments below. Give me thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like that. And again, if you are interested in the 4-day video series about affiliate marketing and creating this sales funnel and all of that, then just go ahead and grab it in the description below. It's the first link in the description. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. If you opt in, I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I will see you in the next videos. Again, thank you for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye, guys.